What's up guys? Good morning. So for today's video, mag-unbox tayo ng blood glucose monitoring system. Actually, meron na tayong isa dito. Kaya lang we discovered na itong unit na to mismo is meron siyang monitoring system for the past 3 days, 7 days, and 30 days. So if you're going to share this with your family, magugulo yung ating monitoring system. Well, I will tell you more about it on the next video. For today's video, mag-unbox muna tayo. And then, I will also share the link kung saan ko ito nabili.
Ano tayo, dalawang variant na bottom pumpiran.
Maganda. Meron din siyang bag. Inside the bag, meron din siyang manual, user's manual. Meron siyang bag. And then, outside the box, nung binili ko sa Shopee, sabi dito is Tokyo, Japan. Pero, when I discovered, when I looked at the back, nasabi dito is Sinocare Incorporated. So, gawa din siya ni Sinocare. Well, Sinocare is one of the leading brand on blood glucose monitoring. So, maganda siya. Well, I will tell you more about it pagka na-test ko na siya for today. Tingnan lang muna natin ang laman. So inside the bag, meron siyang pen. Ito yung pen na nilalagyan ng needle para tusukin yung ating daliri para maka-extract tayo ng blood. So what is the main purpose of this glucose blood monitoring system? Instead na magpa-laboratory tayo, napakamahal na laboratory. So, it is a must. Not just for diabetic or not just for persons who is diagnosed of diabetes or pre-diabetic. This is a must for everyone. Kasi dito, instead na magbayad ka ng laboratory, ikaw na mismo ang magmo-monitor ng blood mo. So, pag nakakain ka ng medyo mataas ang sugar, mamomonitor mo dito by this unit. So, ito naman niya, meron siyang bag, may battery siya. Tapos, meron siyang kasamang, I think this is the strip. Buksan natin yung strip. Tapos yung isang box is yung needle. So let's see. So inside the box meron din ito kasama. Tapos ang ganda dito is dalawa na yung kanyang nalagyan ng strip. So let's see. Ayan, meron siyang dalawa. This is simple to open. Ayan lang. Sa loob ng tube meron siyang strip. Ito yung strip na nilalagay dito sa ibabaw, tapos dito mo lalagay yung dugo mo. Well, the next video will be a tutorial. For today, mag-unbox lang muna tayo. So dalawa siya, and then this box naman ang laman ay, I believe it's the needle. Let's see. Ito nga siya, napakaraming needle. I don't know kung ilan siya. We'll see. On the box it says 50 counts. So I will check later kung 50 talaga yung naman niya. Ito yung needle. So, well, I will just show you. Tinitwist lang to, tapos lalabas yung needle. Tapos this needle goes to this pen. And then I will show that to you on the next video for the tutorial kung paano siya gamitin and what are the purpose of each and every menu inside this device. So for today's video, again, good morning to all, and I will give you the link kung saan ito nabibili. This is very useful, and the next video, what I'm going to do is I will do a fasting, and then on your comment please comment down below kung ano yung gusto nyo i-test ko. Let's say for example, apple, I will eat 2 or 1 apple, and then I will check, at least we would know kung ilan yung sugar spike ng ibibigay ng isang food. Let's say for example, kanin or apple or banana. So comment down below kung ano yung gusto nyong i-test ko using this unit. Again, for today's video, thank you very much. Please like and subscribe and share. Thank you for health awareness. Yeah, this is all. Thank you so much.